And let's give it up for my sleeping girl back here. Hi, boo. Kitty. Bye, girl. Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to momming, tag you, to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can know a notification. Gang, gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Hey guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm coming to you today with my Clio Set It Off cornrows, okay? Today we are talking about, well, spring is almost sprung and it's almost summer, but at the time I'm recording this video, but I want to show you guys a few things that I purchased last year that are back again at Old Navy, and a few things I picked up for this spring and summer, and then a few things I picked up at my local Primark at Concord Mills here in Charlotte, Concord area. So let's hop into it. So I'm going to start with Old Navy. I'm going to do tops first and then I'll do bottoms. I absolutely love these double layered tanks. I usually shop at Old Navy when they have the 50% off sale, because why would you pay full price for things, right? So I purchased this. I believe it was $8 when I purchased it, but just go on the website and check it out. It's the double layered tank. I had this in a baby blue. Last year I purchased the white. I'm a new mom, okay? My body is changing, all right? It's not the same body that it was 2 years ago. So I need a new and a few additional pieces to add to my wardrobe that actually fit me. So this was a top that I think is super cute. It goes with some other things that I have, and I do have that in white. And then next I picked up this snug crew neck. I have this in the white. This is it's a pinky red. It looks more red on camera than it actually is in person. It's more of like a pinky red. I have this, and then I have it in navy blue stripe, and then I have it also in just a plain white. My casual game is, I'm trying to up my casual game. I can dress up, but just casual is not my sweet spot. So I'm working on trying to throw things together that are casual, that I feel comfortable in. So Soft Light material. This is in a size medium. If you can tell, it has, it kind of looks like an eyelet material, but it's obviously not eyelet because it's kind of a soft sweater material. But I absolutely love this. I more so wear this for work, but it is a nice casual top. You can wear it to the beach if it's cool. It's a really nice soft material. Almost gives a cashmere feel, but it's not cashmere. It is, let's see what material it's made out of. 55% cotton, 45% polyester. We don't love polyester, but this feels really good. All right, onto the bottoms. These are new this year. I am obsessed. I have not seen anyone talk about these shorts. I am obsessed. They actually make these in a jean as well. I thought it might be a little too much for jeans, but I have been wanting a pair of floral shorts. This was my kind of compromise, because I love jean shorts and I love the florals. This is a combination. If you can't see, it's a floral. It has a flower here, like on each of the legs, and then it has a scalloped detail on the ends. These are so cute. I got these in a size 8. They're the high-rise baggy, and I have actually 3 other pairs of the high-rise baggy jeans that I'm going to show you here in a second, and a medium wash and a very light wash. These are both in a size 10, because I don't think when I bought these last year they didn't have my size. The 10 is a little too big, but it makes them even extra oversized, which funny enough makes my legs look slimmer. So I absolutely love these. I'll show you these too. And then last but not least, for Old Navy is the high-rise, or these are the mid-rise baggy, but they're the longer length. I am petite, as you'll see in the footage, but I absolutely love these because they kind of give me a little edge. They're a lot longer than your normal short, but I like these because they're the in-between. They're not quite capri, but they're not booty shorts either. Absolutely love these with like a nice a shorter top, or like a more fitted top, since they're bigger on the bottom, and these are button fly, and I picked these up in a size 8. All right, moving on to Primark. I only got a couple things at Primark. I'll have to add a clip in for the cute earrings that I purchased, and I also purchased a beach hat. But for Primark, I picked up this vest. It's a striped black and white vest, 15 bucks. I don't have anything like this. I have sweaters, but I don't have any kind of off the shoulder, not off the shoulder, sleeveless. So I thought this would be nice to dress up some of these shorts with the kind of dressy on the top, casual on the bottom. we'll see how that goes. But again, this is in a size small at Primark. And then lastly, I picked up this dress, one in a solid black, which I'll show you a picture over here, and then also in this beautiful polka dot. I thought this was super cute. I actually might wear this today. Today's Mother's Day when I'm recording this, by the way. And this was $20. Again, I would expect this to be 10 or 15 from Primark, but it is good quality. So I'll see how the black one washes because I've worn that one already. I wish it had pockets, but other than that, this dress is so cute. I love the polka dot. Thanks so much for watching, and you'll catch me in my next one. Talk to you later. Bye.